Hi, I'm Lisa, and I'm here to show you how MathReps can help make your daily practice a lot easier and engaging for your students. So here's a template that we're going to be working with. Last time we looked at how to add the numbers, and this is a second grade one. So last time we looked at how to add. Today we're going to look at how we would do it for subtraction. It's set up just a little bit differently. So here I have it set up with 658 and the number 234. So I have it set up here. So I have it in the pictorial model of the 658. And down here in the corner, I just wrote what they're going to be subtracting from each section. So the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. So I'm going to subtract 4 ones. Um, on a board like this, you can have them erase it. On paper, you just have them put a line through it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle how many are left. There are 4 left on that one. Do the same with the tens place. So there are 30. Get rid of what would represent 30. So that would be 3 of these. 1, 2, 3, leaving us with 20. And then finally getting rid of 220, or excuse me, 200s. 1, 2, and that would leave us with 400. And then we are left with it in expanded form, and altogether it is 424. So what does that look like when we transfer it over to um, the base 10 value system? So we would have it written the same way. So we would have our 658, there's 50, and then 8. And then we would do that with the other number as well, the second number. So 200, 30, and 4. So it's a little confusing because we have the addition here, but this is just expanded form for our students. So again, we start in our ones place and we'll get the same answer, right? So the difference will be the same. 20 there and 400. So there you go. So the students can then start to see how the pictorial model and this model are reflective of one another, and they can start to build those bridges. So check out and get your free template over at mathreps.com.